soulmates, welcome back to the channel.
Yo, what's up guys? I'm on my way to the very last solstice practice of the semester, way over there at Center Street. It's kind of exciting, kind of nerve-wracking a little bit. We just all came back from break, so it's been kind of a hectic time. Preparing for this has been a lot of work, but trust the process, I guess. I'm here at Center Street, walking up right now. You can kind of see some people inside. Let's get it. What's he doing? Oh. All right, we're finally here at War Cry practice. Yeah!
So it is 3:50 in the morning. Showcase is in 14 hours. We just had practice 6 hours ago. And we are currently slaving away for Showcase. She's working on the random play dance for intermission, and I'm doing the posters that we're gonna put on the easels outside of Showcase.
Random dance.
Yeah.
Yours.
Oh yes. But divide and conquer. So, will I sleep? So it's currently 12:30. I have 3.5 hours to do everything that I need to do before Showcase. So that's get ready, pack everything, print the poster that I was working on last night, and then we have rehearsals, everything. So I'm running out of time. I slept at 6:30 last night, and I woke up at 11. So let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna do a get ready with me, so enjoy.
Yeah, please disregard all the random stuff underneath my bed. But this is the suitcase. Oh, toes. Alright, anyways, this is the suitcase I'm gonna be using for all my outfits tonight. So let's go ahead and pack this real quick. Boom, nice. Alright, so that's everything we have for tonight. This is about 5-6 songs worth of clothes. Definitely did not have to dig through my closet to find any of this. So
5 minutes until start of Showcase. Wait, it's more like 15, but this is the poster that I was working on. W. Say hi. Yay. Carlson, this is your first Showcase as a Solstice member. How do you feel?
Nervous. I'm about to explode.
What song are you most excited for?
War Cry.
Okay.
Finally, we have our showcase for now. Let's do our best.
Hey soulmates, welcome back to the channel. And today, I'll be showing you how to go through career prep. Step 1, you gotta dress nice. Look at the face. Suit, tie, nice pants and shoes. Perfect. Step 2, you gotta have a resume. See, nice and printed out. And very beautiful. I use LaTeX for mine. Step 3, you gotta exude confidence for all the possible employers up there. Now, let's go. I want to show you where to go. Final step, is to take a deep breath and know that you're awesome. So I'm ready. Let's go in. I'm excited. I gotta get a job, you know? Yeah, I'm ready. I gotta get my job. I need that. I need a job. Please help me. Oh, is this not the career fair? No. Oh, well, screw this, I guess. Oh, thank you. Bro, don't do that. Wait, Zach, you have a nice shirt. You're matching with me.
What's happening?
There's a fire alarm.
What the?
There is, oh, okay, so sorry to crash the party. There is a fire alarm going on right now. Is everyone please follow me and come back? It's over. They have another accident that will surely send all again, so please come back. Be safe.
Alright, we're outside. The fire alarm just went off, but it is intermission. Am I getting myself? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So yeah, we're just chilling out here. There's like hella people outside. But don't worry, we'll be back after the extended intermission. Guys, say hello to the vlog.
What's up, guys? Allow me to film so you can like narrate.
Oh, sure.
Describe the situation.
Welcome outside. So there's a fire alarm that just went off in Student Center. Luckily, it is our intermission, so this is just going to be a longer time. Back to you in the studio.
Man, that was a crazy break, no? Yeah. Anyways, I'm ready for the performance now. Yes. Thank you. Oh, y'all look like. Is this not practice? Don't tell me it's the career fair. Oh, I guess I'll celebrate unemployment.
getting bigger.
I didn't prepare for this, but thank you. And before these two dinosaurs give their sob story, I'll tell you what I know about them. They have been two of the most important people for building this team up. Sophia has been our favorite drill sergeant, and we definitely don't have trauma from her. Kevin, he's been doing all of our Excel spreadsheets, and we know him as the master of the sheets.
Huh?
I joined Solstice 4 years ago, spring 2021. Back then I didn't really know my place on campus, but then after joining, I really felt like I found my place, and I found a community that I love. I love dancing with all these people, and I'm glad that I got to see Solstice grow from just a small club doing small performances out in the public into basically what it is now. We've done so much in the time. We've performed, we opened concerts. I'm not crying. Okay, but yeah, we've done so much. Opened concerts, had so many showcases, and I got to meet so many amazing people and dancers, even out in the crowd out there. I got to meet so many of these different orgs, Sing K, Lunar Crew, etc. Yeah, you know all y'all. But yeah, I'm just really thankful for everyone here, and yeah.
Hello, this is very unrehearsed, so this might be kind of terrible. But I joined Solstice as a freshman 3.5 years ago, so it's been 7 semesters now. A lot of the people who were on the team when I first joined are now gone, but we've gained a lot of new members since that time. I am being replaced by my sister, I guess. Stephanie, where are you at? But yeah, no, all the new people who have joined are so talented. It's been such a pleasure leading some of you for round songs. I know I do have a reputation for being a drill sergeant. I'm sorry, I hope I wasn't too mean, but y'all have been amazing. Y'all are amazing dancers, and you'll do so well once we're gone. And in the grave, I guess.
Pretty. This that pretty girl mom, she just steps on, she just touched down.
Booting up. Solstice archive sequence initiated.
너를 구할 방법은
is already over. Oh. Yeah, my name is Sarah. I'm one of the co-presidents of Solstice. I'm Eileen. I'm the other co-president. Yeah, so thank you everyone for coming to our Fall 2024 showcase. Even though you guys are probably busy with finals coming up. And also big thank you for everyone who stayed even after the fire drill. Really unfortunate, but yeah, thank you for staying.
Hope you all had a fun time tonight, and thank you for everyone for your patience along with the fire alarm and everything. As you exit, we'll be selling shirts like this one, so please go to the desk and buy one, and we'll see you next semester. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
What are we doing?
Psychology. I'll go.
The answer is A.
It's like wine. The longer it goes, the better it tastes.
Guys, what is that?
This is my.
Julian, what is this?
This is what my FSA family made me.
Oh.
It's me.
Okay,
wait,
pose,
wait.
pose.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Now stop.
Wait. And my LinkedIn bio.
Oh! Okay!
Find the difference.
Yo, someone edit. Bro, get Caitlin to edit him, bro.
Wait.
Alright, ready?